Most people would only use these large cans for storage, but today I will show you how to make something no one could imagine. Large metal cans like these can be found anywhere: scrap yards, recycling disposal areas, or after you've finished all the milk powder inside. Not just one, I will make many videos recycling these cans into useful items. So hit subscribe and follow me so you don't miss any videos. First, use a piece of sandpaper to remove the decorative paint layer on the outside. If you don't want to, you can still leave it, it just won't look very aesthetically pleasing. Because the friction between sandpaper and metal can easily increase temperature, prepare a basin of water to wet the sandpaper, sanding while keeping it moist. Prepare a few rubber bands along with L-shaped flat metal bars, the kind that already have fixed holes. You can use 3 or 4 depending on how many you manage to find. Now attach them to the can. Distribute the metal bars evenly and temporarily secure them with rubber bands. This is why I use L-shaped metal bars with holes. Mark all the holes that have been temporarily fixed. Then draw a square about 6 to 8 centimeters. All right, now take a drill and drill all the marked points. For the square, only cut the 3 lower sides, leave the top side so we can fold it inward at a right angle to create a small support platform. After drilling the marked points, use screws to firmly secure the L-shaped metal bars to the can. That means we are halfway done. Now let's continue working on the remaining half. Use 4 candles and pan heat them to melt. Most candles nowadays are mainly made of paraffin, plant-based waxes, beeswax, and animal fats. So when exposed to heat, they turn into liquid, allowing us to transform them into different products. Add a bit of fragrant wood to create scent for the mixture. All right, the candles have completely melted. Now remove the wood and the wick from the candles. This is sawdust. You can get large bags from woodworking shops. Just ask them politely. Mix it with the melted solution and remember to keep the temperature maintained on the stove. Finally, compress the mixture into the mold that we carefully prepared from the beginning, along with the small wood fragments. Press it tightly to shape it according to the mold. Alright, now remove the pipe in the middle. Prepare some kindling using small sticks or any flammable material. Insert them through the square hole so the fire can catch onto the mixture. Now we have a giant stove with an impressive burn time. One flame can cook all kinds of food. Now let's start cooking together.